think about what they see from their perspective and literally hide behind the ball. Like
Wow.
use that to your
I've
advantage,
never
right?
thought of
When
that.
you challenge, you will jump scare them. Like they'll literally shit their pants when you challenge. Ask anyone in chat.
So
Look at
you're
your
saying to
chat. Have you
hide under the ball POV, like the path of view.
say you're staying in the blind spot? Think of it as like the blind spot. Like they won't be able to see it. Ask your chat. Have you guys ever been jump scared by somebody when you're dribbling? It's because you're doing this. I guarantee you. If you guys ever been like, holy fuck, like it's a horror game. It's because they challenge you behind the ball. It's scary as shit, right? It happens all the time. So